Have you ever felt like life's moving too fast, yet you're stuck in the same place? Like you're searching for something deeper, but you can't put it into words? Turns out, there's a YouTube channel doing exactly that, and it's exploding right now. It's called Beyond the Veil, a faceless channel that's tapped into something we all crave, meaning. In just 6 months, it went from 0 to over 110,000 subscribers, sharing stories of healing, awakening, and inner peace. No flashy thumbnails, no viral trends, just raw truth, wrapped in calm visuals and a whisper of hope. Now here's the crazy part. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. You don't even need to write the scripts. Yet this channel is monetized, growing fast and changing lives. I checked myself using Nextlev. It's 100% real. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a channel just like this. From content research to script, voiceover, editing, and thumbnails, step by step, using free tools and powerful AI that I've fine-tuned for this exact niche, because I've been there too. Feeling lost, burned out, questioning everything. And then I stumbled across this content, and it felt like someone finally understood. So I locked myself in for 24 hours to break down why it works and how you can replicate it with zero investment. And this is where we take bold action toward building digital freedom. No fluff, no shortcuts, just results. And in this video, we're diving into the spiritual storytelling niche. A niche where people don't just watch, they feel. They reflect. They transform. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a short clip from a video I created using this exact method.
Have you ever wondered why you're so tired even after sleep? Why your chest feels tight even when nothing is wrong? Why you keep reaching for control even though it never gives you peace? What are we so afraid will happen if we simply let go? Control is seductive. It promises.
That wasn't my voice. That wasn't a studio production. It was 100% built with free tools, AI voice, AI visuals, CapCut editing, no camera, no budget, no limits. And you can do the same today. Let's start with why this niche is so powerful. Because people are desperate for calm in a noisy world. They're craving depth, truth, and healing in a time where everything feels surface level. These videos get 20-40-minute watch times. Why? Because they don't feel like content. They feel like therapy. And when you combine that with faceless content, high retention, the algorithm falls in love. It's the perfect storm for growth.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20+ zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Now let's build your first video together. Step 1. Topic generation. Use my AI prompt in the doc linked below and feed it into ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Grok. You'll get viral spiritual topics like releasing what no longer serves you, the pain behind the smile, why you're afraid to be free. Next step, script writing. This is where your video either becomes forgettable or unskippable. My prompt is designed for high-retention emotional storytelling. Paste it into your AI tool, choose your topic and word count, 3K, 7K works best, and watch it craft a script that moves people. You'll get beautifully structured monologues with open loops, metaphors, questions, and moments of quiet reflection, the kind of content that stays in someone's heart long after the video ends. Then, voiceover. You want something deep, calm, emotional. Go to 11 Labs. Select an American middle-aged male voice with a warm, soothing tone. Paste your script, hit generate. And when you hear it, trust me, you'll feel it. Now comes the visuals. This is where your story comes to life. Use my image generation prompt, also in the doc, to create cinematic images with tools like Leonardo AI or Google Image FX. Choose portrait ratio for a storytelling look. Use dreamy lighting, soft shadows, and gentle contrast. Enhance the images using upscale, media, free tool, no watermark. It makes your visuals sharp, clean, and ready for editing. Now let's stitch it all together using CapCut. Import your voice and images. Start with a quote, something that hits deep. Use the typewriter animation for dramatic effect. Then add ambient sounds like typing, wind, soft echoes to build emotional tension. Layer in slow zooms, gentle slides, Film blur transitions. Use filters to match the tone. Warm if it's hopeful, cold if it's melancholic. Generate auto captions using CapCut's built-in feature. Choose elegant fonts, keep it minimal. Let the words breathe on screen. Now let's talk music. Go to Pixabay or Pond 5 and search for cinematic or ambient tracks. You want something that whispers peace and pain, something that feels like healing. Finally, thumbnail design. Use Pixelab and focus on symbols. Light versus shadow, hands reaching for the sky, faces with stars in their eyes. Keep it simple, one subject, high contrast, a title like, "This is why you still feel lost," or "Let go, you deserve peace." And hey, if this spoke to you, if it lit a spark inside you, don't just scroll away. Subscribe. Not for me, but for you. Because you've got something to say. And now, you've got the tools to say it beautifully. I've also built a private Telegram group just for people like you. Creators who are ready to stop surviving and start building something real. We're closing it on April 28th. And once we do, I'm locking in and going all in with those inside. So come join. Your story matters. Let's help the world heal and build a business that feeds your soul at the same time. So come join. Your story matters. Let's help the world heal and build a business that feeds your soul at the same time.